Para kang nasa probinsya, char.
We're here at
Mga walang kain.
Shinan Station. I don't like their food.
Hi, we're here.
Pangatlong ligaw.
Pangatlong ligaw sa dalawang araw. Dalawang araw ko pala na dito.
21, 20 NTD. Magkano yun?
Mga 40.
Tang ina mo.
Tapos isang kain pa lang sa 2 days.
Isa pa lang yung nagustuhan namin.
We'll
Sabi
see.
yung pancake ni tatay.
Where are we?
Show them.
Wow. I'm scared.
Yeah, for sure. As usual. So pretty. Oh my god.
I don't speak English. Dating and no ligaw.
Yes.
Nasunod ang
So proud of
itinerary. Wow. Who is them?
So tired.
Hi, kung nagiging pera lang ang steps.
Hi, we are here in Grassland. Look at us giving
It's
glass
giving
skin.
probinsya but better.
Yeah,
Philippines.
better.
Philippines could never.
Yeah. Feeling ni Ashley may magpo-propose. Sino kaya?
Will,
Eh na, yun na. Ay, sino may nag-video?
feeling ko magpo-propose mo. Ang mga chismosa pa
Video
guys.
mo kaya siya. Nasigaw tayo dali. Ayan na, umalis na siya.
Okay.
That's it.
Taiwan and no Taiwanese food.
Yeah, tonkatsu. Go for Japanese food.
Ang mga
We are the problem. Not the culture or the food.
went to
She is
Taiwan
the problem.
for the pigs. Not for the food.
Oh, I did enjoy this experience. It's like Yabu, guys. Look at this.
What? In
And
our
I'm
set.
gonna mix this
What's in our
water.
set? This one,
Yeah.
the one I will not eat.
I think it's
That's for
puta.
you.
I think it's gelatin, guys. Look.
Bigla kang gumalino nag-i-English ka dito ah. Sa client, hindi ka.
Nabibigla ako pag sa client. It's like gelatin. Hindi, ano siya, smell like... Ano yun yung sa ano ah?
Cabbage for Liz again. Parang isang
We have
buong
free
cabbage.
drink.
Cognac drink. Wow, healthy.
Thank you, Tonkatsu. Thank you, Taipei. Ang arte. I'm gonna mix this. Uy, huwag mo i-delete. Look at this, guys. Mas lumapulot pag solid mo.
Ay, masarap.
I'm gonna taste it. Really. It's not like yabu.
But meron pa rin siyang ano,
Lasa.
certain hint.
Oh, look at that. She's the problem. She's really the problem
Meron pa rin
here.
certain, pero hindi kasi tapang ng ano.
Okay, taste test.
Oh, may pagpikit.
Parang may wasabi ka na.
Ito na lang.
Hindi ako na-inform. So good.
Second proper meal after
You have
3
rice.
days.
Yeah. Is it good? Ayaw mo nito?
Dahil we live,
Tonkatsu sauce.
we live by,
You can put it here. Oh. What is this ba? How about sabaw? Do you like
I
it?
miss rice.
Oh my god. We're flying tomorrow na.
First rice
Yeah.
after 3 days.
Gonna miss
3
this.
days? 4. Lokal na kami dito.
So good.
Piling ko hindi ka magra-rice.
Nag-rice ako.
Sarap. Ano masarap din dito.
May wasabi kasi.
Feeling mo mas masarap pa siya sa yabo. Sa oily na.
Gusto ko lang yung ano. Yung peanut sauce. Peanut sauce ba yan?
Would you like this?
Okay.
The topping.
Look at that. Huling-huli.
May lasang isda eh.
Siyempre, seaweed nga eh. I'm getting better na at using this.
Sarap. I like this better than ano.
Then what? Ay, it's so good.
Yabo, no?
Domeng.
Ay, nakain.
Omar. Omega.
Duran family.
Ate Isen. Uy, nakuhanin mo ko to.
Hey, can I have my water?
Oo nga pala. It tastes weird. Sorry. My face.
Ayan na, magpapahamak sa'yo.
Where's mine? Our water. And juice.
Ay, ang sarap. I like this. Akala ko hindi siya maubos.
Naubos na. Hindi sa mo, wala ka ng kanin at bukas.
Sunod na kanina na sa ano. Sana pag sinundo tayo ni Doming may isinigaw.
Hindi ka nagpaparinig. May something siya.
Ready to eat sinigaw.
Tita pa luto na lang.
Sarap.
Akala ko it's good.
Alin?
Creamy daw. Hindi naman creamy.
Bakit ang daming klase yung vinaigrette dito?
Baka depende sa paghalo.
Pag
Lasa.
Pagkalibat mo dito, Dijon vinaigrette. Oo talaga.
Gawa-gawa.
Nagsama yung dalawang tanga.
Ay, hindi mo na-play.
Ulit ka ulit, Baldan.
Tama na, gagawa na tayo.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Sino ka dun?